Welcome back to another update, everyone. Thank you for the continued support on Solana as we grow the community. So, in my past update, I was talking about these rejections that we're seeing on the daily time frame. And unfortunately, I've been saying $215 must be reclaimed if we want to see 265 to 280 as targets, although that would be still resistance up there where we could expect a lower high and a rollover. We should at least pump up into those prices on the break of 215. So breaking 215 will initiate that move up. We're not currently above 215. However, we have this falling wedge, which we are seeing across the market. And over the past few days with these wick rejections and the FUD over with Binance, there's a lot of FUD being spread that Binance had sold a lot of coins, 94% of their Bitcoin, 99% of their Solana and Ethereum over the past month. Now, that, of course, although priced in, people are going to sell because of that sort of news. And what I was suggesting in the past update is that we can't afford to lose the 200 EMA and 180 to 190. This must react bullish from this weakness over here because we're now getting these bearish crosses. Multiple guys, one over here, here, and over there as well. It looks like these two could be about to cross over. We need to actually stop that from being the case. So the 200 EMA, 180 to 190 must react. So more specifically, 190 must react to support now to break through 215 and start that move up. Otherwise, guys, if this is now going to stay as resistance and we've got all these bearish crosses, this 180, 190 support and the daily 200 EMA macro long-term uptrend support acting as the bottom and bringing you all-time highs on every retest. In order to keep that trend, you must hold above it, and losing that would start a downtrend. So Solana must reclaim to 15. I mentioned Bitcoin because it's all on Bitcoin. Bitcoin must reclaim 98.6, the 20 daily EMA. You can see at the moment it's broken out of that falling wedge, which we see across the market. On Monday, Tuesday, with the Binance scare, almost breaking back in and losing the support almost. CPI data coming out today and being slightly negative, higher than expected, and another attempt at losing the lows. However, you can see the turnaround. Although it's turned around, it's green today, amazing, right? No, it must break these key levels of resistances, and that's 98.6 on Bitcoin. And for Solana, that is $215. Let's round it up to because it's almost, as you can see. If that holds as resistance, I'm going to extend this box down to the 6.5 at 206. Failing to break this means ultimately this will be lost, and will start bleeding down, changing the trend. I don't want that to happen as I'm heavily invested into Solana, my top altcoin. So 215 must break to initiate that move up. From current price, this could bring a gain between 36 and 44%, 43, 44. So this is a tradable move, but of course with risk that lower highs can form at any moment and knock this back down. So on the break of that key level up there, we can see future targets high as $400, which would be next coming out of this dip. But again, if we're losing the 200 EMA, losing 180 and 190, you're changing the macro structure. So at all costs, this green box needs to hold, this red box needs to break, and we should see 250, 260, 280. Thank you for tuning in, continuing to support the channel. Please carry on if you enjoy these videos. Like, subscribe, comment, it really helps the channel grow. If you want further updates from myself, turn on that notification bell, as well as following me on Twitter, which you see in the bottom left. And I do have other educational options in the Discord. Not only am I in there 24/7, I'm providing further market analysis on other coins and also providing live streams in there where I can mentor you live. Cheers, everyone.